Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we are going to learn how to track your Chicme order. We will also put our affiliate link in the description below for various Chicme deals. Once you click on the link, it will take you to this page. Here, scroll down to the bottom. Under Help and Support section, you will see an option that says Order Tracking. Click on Order Tracking. Next, enter the order number on the field provided. After entering, click on Check. That's how you track your Chicme order. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.